Today, we are going to discuss about book. What is book? The book is The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. Lean Startup by Eric Ries is a revolutionary book that introduces a methodology for developing businesses and products in a more efficient and cost-effective manner. Ries proposes a framework that emphasizes rapid experimentation, validated learning, and iterative development to help startups and established companies alike navigate the uncertainties of entrepreneurship. Here's a summary of the key concepts covered in the Lean Startup. First, start with a vision. Ries emphasizes the importance of having a clear vision for your business or product. However, instead of spending years developing a detailed business plan, he advocates for quickly testing assumptions and adapting based on real-world feedback. Build, measure, learn. The core of the Lean Startup methodology revolves around a build, measure, learn feedback loop. Rather than building a product in isolation and launching it to the market, entrepreneurs should create a minimum viable product, MVP, to test their hypotheses, measure the results, and learn from customer feedback. Validated learning. Ries stresses the importance of focusing on validated learning over vanity metrics. Instead of merely tracking metrics like website traffic or social media followers, entrepreneurs should seek evidence that their product is solving a real problem for customers and creating value. Pivot or persevere. Through continuous experimentation and learning, entrepreneurs may discover that their initial assumptions were incorrect. In such cases, Ries advocates for making strategic pivots to adjust the product or business model based on newfound insights. However, if the core value proposition remains valid, entrepreneurs should persevere and double down on their efforts. Innovation accounting. Traditional accounting methods are ill-suited for measuring progress in startups, where uncertainty is high and outcomes are unpredictable. Ries introduces the concept of innovation accounting, which focuses on tracking actionable metrics that reflect progress toward key business objectives. Lean thinking. Drawing inspiration from lean manufacturing principles pioneered by Toyota, Ries applies concepts such as minimizing waste, optimizing flow, and empowering teams to the world of startups. By adopting a lean mindset, entrepreneurs can streamline their processes, reduce inefficiencies, and accelerate learning. Continuous deployment. Ries advocates for embracing a culture of continuous deployment, where small, incremental changes are regularly shipped to customers. This approach allows startups to quickly gather feedback, iterate on their product, and adapt to evolving market conditions. Overall, the Lean Startup provides a practical roadmap for entrepreneurs seeking to build successful businesses in today's fast-paced and uncertain environment. By embracing experimentation, iteration, and validated learning, entrepreneurs can increase their chances of creating products that truly resonate with customers and achieving long-term success. Thanks you. Please subscribe my channel